So here I'm going to show you how to use this. You can just refer to the user manual. So the user manual is actually, I didn't make it. This is the original one that you can Google it and find it. So I also enclose this in the file. You can just print it out just for fun. And it's pretty much self-explained, but still I'm going to show you how to do it. So step one, if you are right-handed, I don't know, for some reason you have to hold it with the left hand, and oh yeah, probably that's why. Operate this with your right hand, like this. So that's step 1 and 2. And then push this out. That's the priming bar, but actually, yeah, just like this. And then drop one shell in it. You don't have to drop it all the way in. Just dip enough for this priming bar to close, and then close it. With certain angle, you might find it hard to prime correctly, but once you get used to it, find the angle, then it's pretty easy. For me, the angle is this. And then turn it back. So before you turn it back, you have to pull back a little bit more, and then turn it back, and then make sure it's aligned, right, like this. Okay, so right now it's ready to fire. Okay, now you have a spent casing inside. So again, repeat. So you can see the spent casing. Take out the dowel and push that all in. Because it's just new, right? So after a few times, the casing can actually be pushed out, like flying out, pretty easy. But right now it's still tight. And then just like the real one, take the bottom plate out. You have stored one extra round here. So drop it in and repeat. And then go back to right hand and shoot. That's it. Thank you.